Welcome to IELTS A1, the complete beginner course. I'm so glad you're here because starting is the hardest part and you've already done it. This course has 20 videos. By the end, you will have all the vocabulary, grammar, and exam skills you need for the IELTS A1 level, and you will be ready to move to A2 with real confidence. We go slowly, we go clearly, and every single lesson connects directly to the IELTS exam. Today, video 1 is about the most important question in any language. Who are you? We are going to learn how to say your name, age, nationality, and job in English. We will learn the verb to be, the most important verb in the English language. And at the end, you will know exactly how to answer the very first question in the IELTS speaking exam. Let's begin. 10 words. These are the words you need to talk about yourself. I will say each word, give you the meaning, and give you an example sentence. Say every word out loud after me. Name. What people call you. For example, my name is Maria. What is your name? Age. How old you are. Example, my age is 25. I am 25 years old. Nationality. The country you come from. For example, my nationality is Brazilian. I am from Brazil. Job. The work you do. For example, my job is teacher. I am a teacher. Single. Not married. For example, I am single. I am not married. Married. Having a husband or wife. For example, she is married. Her husband is from Japan. Student. A person who studies. For example, he is a student at the university. Address. Where you live. For example, my address is 14 Green Street, London. Phone number. A number to call you on. For example, my phone number is 077-000-900-123. Email. An electronic message address. For example, my email is maria@example.com. IELTS tip. In the IELTS speaking test, the examiner will ask you about yourself. You must use these 10 words confidently. Practice saying your own name, age, nationality, and job out loud now before we move on.
The verb to be is the most important verb in English. In IELTS A1, you will use it in almost every sentence. Today, we learn the present tense. I am, you are, he, she, it is, we are, they are.
I am. I am a teacher. You are. You are a student. He, she, it is. She is from Spain. We are. We are married. They are. They are students.
In speaking English, we usually use short forms. These are very important for the IELTS speaking test because they make you sound natural.
I am. I'm. I'm from Italy. You are. You're. You're 20 years old. He is. He's. He's a doctor. She is. She's. She's single. We are. We're. We're students. They are. They're. They're from China.
To make a negative sentence, add not after the verb to be.
I am married. I am not married. I'm not married. She is a student. She is not a student. She isn't a student. They are Spanish. They are not Spanish. They aren't Spanish.
To make a question, Put the verb to be before the subject.
Are you a student? Yes, I am. No, I'm not. Is she from France? Yes, she is. No, she isn't. Are they married? Yes, they are. No, they aren't.
Tip: in the IELTS speaking test, the examiner will ask you questions using the verb to be. Always give a short answer first, then expand. Yes, I am. I am a teacher at a primary school in my city. This technique always scores higher than a simple yes or no.
Listen to this short conversation between a student and an IELTS examiner. It is a real example of IELTS Speaking Part 1. Listen for the verb to be, the vocabulary words from Part 2, and the short form contractions. Listen first without reading, then read the script below and listen again.
Good morning. My name is John Harris. Can you tell me your full name, please?
Good morning. My name is Aiko Tanaka.
And how do you spell your surname?
Tanaka.
Thank you. Where are you from, Aiko?
I'm from Japan. I'm from a city called Osaka.
And are you a student or do you have a job?
I'm a student. I'm studying English at a language school here.
How old are you?
I'm 22 years old.
Are you married?
No, I'm not. I'm single.
Thank you, Aiko. That's everything for this section.
Aiko uses contractions throughout. I'm from Japan. I'm a student. I'm not. When asked to spell her name, she says each letter clearly. Tanaka. She doesn't just say Japan, she adds detail. I'm from a city called Osaka. She gives a short answer to the yes-no question. No, I'm not. Then confirms, I'm single. Her answers are complete sentences, not just single words.
Now it is your turn. I want you to answer these 6 questions out loud. Use the verb to be correctly. Use contractions. Give complete sentences. Pause the video after each question, answer it, and then press play to hear the model answer. What is your name? My name is your name, or I'm your name. Where are you from? I'm from country. I'm from a city called city. How old are you? I'm years old. Are you a student or do you have a job? I study or work at place. Are you married or single? I'm married or single. My husband or wife is from place. What is your email address? My email address is your email. Spell it letter by letter if asked. IELTS tip: don't be embarrassed to speak out loud alone. In the IELTS speaking test, you speak to an examiner for 11 to 14 minutes. The more you practice speaking alone at home, the more natural it will feel in the exam room. Record yourself and listen back. You will be surprised by how quickly you improve. The IELTS speaking test has 3 parts. Part 1 is the introduction. The examiner asks you questions about yourself and familiar topics. It lasts 4 to 5 minutes. These are the most common questions in IELTS speaking Part 1. What is your full name? What shall I call you? Where are you from? Do you work or are you a student? Do you enjoy your work/studies? Why? Where do you live? Do you like where you live? 3 golden rules for speaking Part 1. Rule 1. Never give a one-word answer. Always give at least one full sentence. Bad, Japan. Good, I'm from Japan. I'm from a city called Osaka. Rule 2. Use contractions. I'm sounds more natural than I am in speaking. Rule 3. Add one small detail to every answer. This shows the examiner you can extend your responses. I'm a student. I'm a student.
I'm studying business at university.
Excellent work! In video 1, you learned 10 essential personal information words, the complete present tense of the verb to be, positive, negative, and question forms, the short form contractions, and how to answer IELTS Speaking Part 1 questions about yourself confidently. Your task before video 2, practice the 6 speaking questions from Part 5 every day this week. Say your answers out loud. Make them a little longer each time. Try to add one extra detail to every answer. In video 2, we are going to talk about family. My family. You will learn the words for family members, possessive adjectives like my, your, his, and her, and how to describe your family in IELTS Speaking Part 1. I'll see you there. You have started. That is everything. Your IELTS journey begins now.